Hello everyone, welcome to the new video of Manzil. So in today's video we will discuss some important idioms and proverbs. Let's begin. First idiom is not your cup of tea. Meaning of this idiom is if you say that someone or something is not your cup of tea, you mean that they are not the kind of person or thing you like. Example, sales is not my cup of tea. Next one is best things in life are free. Meaning is the most valuable things are often free. Example is I feel so rejuvenated in clean air, sparkling water and beautiful nature of the mountains. Oftentimes the best things in life are always free. Next is back the wrong horse. Meaning of this idiom is to support a person or action that later turns out to be unsuccessful. Example is the political party fielded a businessman from the prestigious seat in the national capital, but he lost. They clearly backed the wrong horse. So, clearly the meaning of this idiom is to support a person or action that later turns out to be unsuccessful. Next is not the only fish in the sea. Not the only suitable thing or person one can find. Example, you shouldn't be so heartbroken at the rejection by her. Remember, she is not the only fish in the sea. Next one is blood is thicker than water. Meaning relationships with family or blood relatives is stronger than other relationships. Example, my friend invited me for the picnic on Sunday, but I have to go to my cousin's birthday instead. Blood is thicker than water, isn't it? Next is know which way the wind is blowing. Meaning is if you know which way the wind is blowing, you anticipate how a certain situation is likely to develop. Example, politicians are good at knowing which way the wind is blowing and they form alliances with other political parties accordingly. Next one is better late than never. Meaning it is better to get something you desire late than get it never. Example, I'm sorry I'm late to the party, but better late than never. Next one is next proverb is better to be poor and healthy rather than rich and sick. Meaning good health is more important than money. It's but obvious. Example is the pharma tycoon has been in and out of hospital for the last 2 months because of kidney ailments. It's better to be poor and healthy than rich and sick. Next one is know which way the wind is blowing. Meaning if you know which way the wind is blowing, you anticipate how certain situation is likely to develop. Actually, this is repeated. Next one is for all the word. Meaning is exactly. Example, he looks for all the word like his brother and I always confuse the two. So the meaning of this idiom is exactly. We can use this idiom for twin, sister or brother, for all the word. So that's all for today. All the idioms are very important and you can see that you can use these idioms and proverbs in your daily life as well, and these can be used in exams as well because in कॉम्प्रीहेंशन पैसेजेस एंड आप लोग देखते होंगे कि आजकल एग्जाम्स में ईडियम्स के मीनिंग और उन पे सेंटेंसेस वाले क्वेश्चंस भी काफ़ी आ जाते हैं. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर मोर सच वीडियोस. थैंक यू सो मच.